haven't even started the helium yet.
Yeah.
That doesn't matter. Okay. 1, can it see us? Yes. 2, 3.
Hello, I'm talking with helium, helium, helium. I talk with helium all right now. Hello? I really like helium. Helium's the best. So do I. It's really, really fun, and I talk really high. Heavy voices. We're almost out. Oh no! Oh my god, the helium! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Helium. Ah! Do you like my hair? I like my hair. Don't you like my hair, Sarah? There's a coconut under there. Yeah, I like my hair. Yeah. I'm getting dizzy. Don't inhale it all. I inhaled it all. And it's out. It's almost out. I'm still talking.
Are you ready for this?
It's going to be out in a second. It's out.
No, I said, are you ready for this, Sarah? Not wait.
I'm talking normal now.
Wait. It's gonna be gross in there. Fix it. It is fixed. Is it on my face? Yes. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Are you in the back of me or in front of me?
In front of you.
Are you sure?
Yes. Helium! That was our...
Wait.
Ta-da! That was our helium!